Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Helfryn leather boots in Crimson Desert. Now currently on my location right now on the map, I'm pretty much on the city of Demenis right here. Now the location for the boots that we are looking for is all the way here on the entrance of the Demenis castle, right along this road right here. Now currently I am on top of a little tower right here so you can get a better view. Now this would be the main road as you can see right here. And the location that we are looking for is under that little sewage entrance right there that is being blockaded by wood. So let me make my way over there so I can show you. Once you've reached this spot, make sure to use your force palm to break down the wood. Then just scroll down into the little space right here and you should be able to find the treasure chest immediately over here on the bottom. Now just hold down E to open it and then you will get the boots. Now the stats for the Helfryn Boots will be an attack of 15, a defense of 4, a critical rate of level 2, and a refinement level of 3. And it also has 2 abyss gears attached to it already. And here's how the boots would look like on a cliff. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Helfryn leather boots in Crimson Desert.